Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today I'm going to be showing you what I got in my July Glossybox for 2021. I'm very excited to share with you this box because they do have golden tickets that are going out randomly in these boxes, so you need to hurry up while the month is still good because you can be a golden ticket winner. Abby here on YouTube, Abadabs, she actually did receive a golden ticket, which is so exciting. And another thing that's actually really exciting, and also I think it's a mistake, they sent me 2 glossy boxes this month, so maybe one of them I get a golden ticket. That would be really exciting, but I'm really excited to share with you guys what I'm getting in these boxes. So if you are into these types of videos for me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, it would mean so much, and don't forget to click the link down below, use my code, save some money on your first glossy box, and get it while you can in July. Maybe you'll be a golden ticket winner. That would be so exciting. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, first off, can we just talk about how beautiful this box is? Like, it's like a sea chest. It's so cute. Then you just open it up and bam, here we go. Glossybox, baby. Okay, so here we have our pamphlet with our information on all the products that are coming in here, which these look like some really great products. And let's just go ahead and tell you, August sneak peek is an LMS product, which is super exciting. And then we also have this here. Okay, that's for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this baby up and see what's in here, even though I already seen because of the pamphlet, but now I can physically see what's in here. Am I a golden ticket winner? No. But that's okay. Alright, so the very first item in here is from Elena Badrow. I guess that's how you pronounce it. I'm not exactly sure. So this is a full-size product, and you get 2 brushes here. Here's what the brushes look like. Super cute. These are definitely very essential. You can use this for all over the lid, and then this angled brush you can use for your lower lash line, which is what I use this brush for, so it's very nice to have these. And they do feel like they're going to be really nice quality as well. So this is the Divine Duo set. This beautiful sea green set includes an angled brush and a blending brush. The angled brush can be used for brow, liner, and eyeshadow. That's true too. While the blending brush is ideal for creating soft color diffusion or defined blending. And this is $34, which is insane. Insane. Okay, next up we have from the brand, I don't know how to pronounce it, Batiste. This is a volumizing dry shampoo. I've heard so many good things about this brand. This is a travel size. You know what? My hair is actually not cute right now, so let's go ahead and try this out right now. I'm in an enclosed room. I don't really want to die from like inhaling too much of this stuff, but yeah, it comes out white like any other dry shampoo. And let's just do the thing. Dry shampoo is also good for creating volume and texture in your hair, so even if you don't necessarily have greasy hair and you need dry shampoo, you can always add it like underneath your hair to give you some volume, which is something that I do because I don't have volume in my hair. And you see, it definitely lightened up my roots, and the greasiness has definitely gone away, and it's given me some volume, so that's great. Okay, so this is put some oomph back in your locks with this dry shampoo, which is exactly what I did. Great for when you're on the go and need a quick refresh. Made with collagen complex, the clean feel formula removes oil, leaving your hair bouncy, beautiful, and volumized. This is $3.99 for the travel size. I have to say, works very well to me. We love. Okay, cool. Good product. Next up, we have a product from Ciate London. I don't have any information on this product because we were supposed to get the Cleo Noir full-size eyeshadow duet in Golden Malachite. Maybe that's how you pronounce it, but they were back ordered or something like that, I believe. So we got the Longwear Skin Brightening Blush from Seaweed, London. I'm not sure if this is like a full size because it's pretty tiny. And I feel like I've gotten this product before in Ipsy as a sample size. So yeah, I feel like this might be a sample size. So there's the product. Let's go ahead and give it a swatch. It actually feels really, really nice to the touch. And it's a beautiful shade. So I'm actually pretty happy with this. This is what you would have gotten, was this right here, which the blue shade totally not into for my personal preference. The golden brown shade definitely would have liked, but yeah, so we got that. Then here we have from Purlisse, which I love this brand. I've had this before and I loved it. This is the Blue Lotus and Seaweed Treatment Sheet Mask, intensely moisturizing, soothing, and balancing all skin types. I think I need this because my skin is so dry right now, like so dry. Yeah, I need this. I haven't been moisturizing like I should. So let's read a little bit about this. This is a full-size product, and this retails for $6, which I think that in my personal opinion, sheet masks are kind of like an easy way out for a full-size product, and it really devalues the box in my opinion. But the fact that this is actually Purlisse makes it totally worth it, because Purlisse is an amazing brand, and I bet you one time using this mask, your skin's gonna be like feeling the results. So the sun can really dry and dehydrate your skin, especially in the peak of summer. Formulated for all skin types, including sensitive skin, this mask contains Blue Lotus, seaweed, mulberry, and anise fruit to combat dryness, inflammation, irritation, and redness. So I'm very happy that this is included in the box because this brand is absolutely amazing. Next up we have from Verso, which is a very popular brand in subscription boxes. This is the Eye Cream Extra Nourish. So here we have it in this little squeezy tube. So this is a deluxe size and it retails for $21. It's got 7 milliliters of product in it, and the full size 20 milliliters is $60. That's a lot of money. So this rich formula nourishes and moisturizes the eye area to ensure a robust skin barrier and healthy hydration level for soft, smooth, and supple skin. It owes its potency to a combination of fermented oat and a hyaluronic acid boosting yeast extract. So let's give this a little bit of a swatch and smell test. It has a very light fragrance, but it smells really good, and it feels not thick, but like, I don't know how to explain it. It's not like thick, but it's thick at the same time, but not thick. Like a nice moisturizing feel, and it definitely feels like it's going to hydrate. So you want to gently apply a thin layer around your eye area morning and night. So yeah, I'll definitely get use out of this because my Hey Honey one broke, the little cap, and then I couldn't put the thing back on, so I threw it away because, you know, I didn't want it to get all gross, and now I have another eye cream that I can use, so that's exciting. Let's open up this other box that I got, and let's see if I'm a gold ticket winner, because that would be exciting. So we have the pamphlet here, this. No, I'm not a gold ticket winner. I got all the same stuff in this box, but I'm very excited about this. I'm actually going to gift this to my best friend Caitlin, and then maybe she'll become a subscriber, because I told her I got a second box, and since she's a new mom, I think she's going to really like this, and I'm really excited to send this to her. So yeah. Anyways, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed, then let me know down in the comments. Do you get Glossybox? Are you wanting to try? The July box is a great starter box to start out with. I will have my code down below and the information that you need to sign up and all of that. So thank you so much to Glossybox for sending this to me. As always, you guys are the best. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!